Just apply this on your scalp, and all white hair will become black again. As we age, it is not uncommon for us to find white hairs on our head. As time passes, the hair gets whiter and whiter. But sometimes, gray or white hair can appear on your hair even when you're young. People usually use hair dyes to cover their white hairs. But since they're full of chemicals, they often do more harm than good. Luckily, we have a few remedies that can eliminate your gray hairs and restore your hair's natural color. Remedy number 1. Ingredients: neem leaves, fir leaves. Preparation: grind the leaves to dust and mix them with some water. Then apply the paste on your scalp and massage it in so it can enter the roots. Regular use of this remedy will strengthen your hair shafts and prevent the appearance of white hairs. Remedy number 2. Ingredients: lemon juice, amla powder. Preparation: mix some lemon juice with amla powder and apply the paste on your scalp. Then rub it in to eliminate the white hairs. Try the aforementioned remedies, and you will never be ashamed of your white hairs again. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.